Welcome back to the Neuromuscular Expert channel. Today we're going to talk about some exciting developments in the treatment of FSHD, or Facioscapulohumeral Muscular Dystrophy. If you or a loved one is living with FSHD, you know how challenging this condition can be. But recent breakthroughs in research and treatments are giving new hope to those affected. First, let's quickly recap what FSHD is. FSHD is one of the most common forms of muscular dystrophy. It primarily affects muscles in the face, shoulders, and upper arms, but it can also impact other areas like the legs and abdomen. It's caused by a genetic mutation that leads to the abnormal expression of a protein called DUX4, which is toxic to muscle cells. Now, the good news is that researchers are getting closer to understanding how to target this protein and develop new treatments to slow or even stop the progression of the disease. The key to treating FSHD is stopping the DUX4 protein from being expressed in muscle cells. One of the most promising areas of research right now is developing therapies that target DUX4 directly. Researchers are working on a number of different approaches to silence the DUX4 gene, including gene therapies and small molecules that can block its activity. By stopping DUX4 in its tracks, these treatments could potentially prevent muscle cells from becoming damaged. Gene therapy is one of the most exciting avenues for treating FSHD. The idea is to deliver genetic material into muscle cells that can either silence the DUX4 gene or repair the mutation that causes it to be active. Although these treatments are still in early-stage trials, they represent a huge step forward in targeting the root cause of FSHD rather than just treating the symptoms. Another approach being developed is the use of small molecule therapies. These are drugs that can be taken orally or injected and are designed to block DUX4 expression or its toxic effects. One company, Fulcrum Therapeutics, is leading the way with its drug candidate, losmapimod. Early trial results have shown promising signs that it could reduce DUX4 expression and improve muscle health in people with FSHD. In addition to targeting DUX4, some researchers are focusing on reducing inflammation and slowing muscle damage in FSHD. This can help manage symptoms and improve quality of life for people living with the condition. Drugs that inhibit inflammation and oxidative stress in muscles are being tested to see if they can protect muscle tissue from further damage. Some of these treatments may be used alongside DUX4 targeting therapies for a more comprehensive approach. Right now, there are multiple clinical trials underway for FSHD treatments. These include studies on gene therapies, small molecules, and other innovative approaches. If you or a loved one is affected by FSHD, it's worth discussing with your healthcare provider to see if participating in a trial could be an option. Clinical trials are critical for advancing treatments, and each step forward brings us closer to better therapies. So, what does the future hold for FSHD treatments? With so many new therapies in development, the outlook is more hopeful than ever. Whether it's gene therapy, small molecule drugs, or anti-inflammatory treatments, the goal is to provide patients with more options for managing their condition and improving their quality of life. As more research comes to light, we're optimistic that treatments will become more effective and accessible to people around the world. That's it for today's video. We're excited about the advancements being made in FSHD treatment, and we'll continue to keep you updated as new research comes in. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or thoughts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.